Hi, my name is Sandra, and I love a good home, and I especially love a good bathroom. We've been living in our house for over 20 years, and we needed a change. And I especially needed to have my own face bowl. So I'm so excited that I'm working with DC Home Remodeling because they made my dream come true. It might be small to you, but a woman having her own sink separate from her husband's really makes a difference. But here you have a big shower head where you can wash your hair and your body and you just feel good. And the fact that Carlos worked with us. I told him what I wanted, and it's a small thing, but it helped make me happy. And Carlos was attentive and listened and did exactly what we wanted. I found DC Home Remodeling on Google. I suggest you Google them, DC Home Remodeling. They also have YouTubes out. And I was able to make the determination by the high reviews that the company had received. If you want it done right, that's the company to go with. DC Home Remodeling.